Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you're doing well and are ready for the 7th session in this Agile and Scrum series. In this session, we will discuss in detail about the product owner. For discussion purpose, I have taken Mr. Ram as the name of our PO. As a PO, Mr. Ram acts like a mini CEO for his product. What is to be developed and in which order the requirements are to be picked and developed is the decision of a PO, as he works as a value maximizer. Our PO, Mr. Ram, discusses and understands the requirements and the user needs from the stakeholders. He then creates and manages the product backlog for these requirements. Mr. Ram represents the stakeholders for the development team and helps the team in understanding the requirements, expectations, and goals. He focuses more on the outcome than output of the development team's effort. Mr. Ram, as a product owner, is accountable for maximizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. He orders the product backlog in such a way that high value requirements are kept on the top so that these requirements are delivered faster to the end users. Mr. Ram is accountable for product backlog management, which includes developing and communicating the product goal, creation, ordering, and maintenance of the product backlog. Mr. Ram is accountable for product backlog refinement. This includes detailing of the product backlog items which are stored in the product backlog. These requirements are refined and groomed so that they are deemed as ready for selection. Mr. Ram is accountable for release planning. As a PO, he decides when to release an increment into production. The PO should be one individual and not a committee. This helps in defining clear accountabilities. Stakeholders and developers know whom to contact for any of the requirements. The PO acts as a single point of contact for all the requirements. Moving ahead, one PO can manage two or more products, which means a product owner can manage multiple products at any given time, but one product should have only one PO. So we can say that the product owner has one-to-many relationship with the products. This means that one PO can manage two or more products, but one product should have only one dedicated product owner. Now let us summarize important points that we have discussed for the product owner accountability. The PO manages the product backlog and captures all the product requirements. The PO helps the development team in understanding the PBIs and, if required, going back to the stakeholders for clarifications. The PO is not a committee but an individual. One product should have only one product backlog and one product owner. This means for any given product, there cannot be two or more product owners. The product owner is accountable for maximizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. The PO is accountable for effective product backlog management and product backlog refinement. The PO can delegate his or her responsibility, but the accountability remains with the PO. The PO decides and has the final say on releasing the increment. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future notifications.